come here. My vibe stop vibing. We're too emotional, going greater than whatever. No one at my house can imagine me crying the way I cry. Yes, I have written this mentally. Ouch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a sit and talk video, and I am going to talk about something which I have struggled. Actually, I am struggling with, and that is turning 20. Turning 20 is a big deal. At least for me, it has been a big deal. And yeah, just ignore the mess around because I am sitting this side because sunlight आ रहा है and यहाँ का lighting अच्छा है. मेरे videos में lighting की problem रहती है because I live in hostel, so I don't have that proper lighting and setup and all. So I'm making this video sitting over here because मेरे room में अभी कोई नहीं है, so I am free to sit anywhere. Turning 20 has been a big deal for me because the sense of transition, there is sense of responsibilities, the pressure of getting better, the feeling of living behind the comparisons and everything. The emotional, the physical, the mental, everything. So today I am gonna talk about all my challenges, all my feelings, what I felt when I turned 20 and how it is going. Physically I have changed a lot. Okay, matlab not only shaping my body, not only shading my teenage features naturally, but also taking care of my skin, my hair, my body. Everything is a part of my lifestyle now. And to be honest, when I was in my teenage stage, I used to only apply the sunscreen. That's it. That's all I had to take care of myself. Because उसके लिए और बाकी सब के लिए मेरी मम्मा थी या फिर like there was no sense मेरे पास. I was not having that knowledge कि okay, you have to prepare 4-step skincare, you have to pamper yourself, you have to take care of your hair, you should have a proper self-care routine because self-love, self-care is very important, which I was unaware till I came to the college, till I explored myself. But lately, planning my day and planning my 4-step skincare routine is not only the part of my lifestyle but also a part of my happiness. It makes me happy in my life, like skincare, dressing good, drinking water, having good amount of sleep. This is the small things which not only makes me happy but also plays an important part as my lifestyle. And trust me, these small steps literally make big differences. And honestly, if I say I don't go to gym or have a proper workout timetable and routine, but I'm working on it and trying to involve it in my daily routine also because मैं थोड़ी सी lazy हूँ, थोड़ी सी नहीं, actually बहुत lazy हूँ. As you cannot deny that fitness is very important and plays a crucial part in your daily life. So yeah, and people nowadays are very focused on telling bad things about anyone else. They comment and they don't realize that what they have said, you are flat, your body is not as a girl body should be, like how सबका गोल ही अलग है. You should rather focus on how you feel. You should focus on your health rather than chasing the ideal definition of perfection and shapes and sizes. Rubbish. Work on cultivating body positivity and loving yourself as you are. Okay, I am very attached to the topic because I have been that one girl जिसे कोई expect नहीं करता that I can be sad. But I have seen anxiety, I have seen panic attacks, I have seen that mental drainage, I have seen myself breaking down. Like no one at my house can imagine me crying the way I cry. You are sad when no one expects you to be sad is something very challenging because no one has seen you that way. उनकी भी गलती नहीं है. I don't have anger issues. I am kind of person who is very calm and can handle situations calmly. Okay, I can work properly. मुझे ऐसा लगता था. But जब से मैं अकेले रहने लगी हूँ, जब से मैं लाइफ के इस फेज में हूँ कि I am in college, I have to take care of everything alone. Then I have known that no, I am a normal human जिसे गुस्सा आता है, जिसे एंजाइटी होती है, जिसे रोना भी आता है और ऐसा रोना आता है कि like it is normal. Okay, but not talking about it is abnormal. Yeah, I am putting it in my 20s part because when you turn 20, it is like it's over. You have to figure everything. You don't have time. You have to plan your career. Like your teenage part is over, but now you are not a proper settled grown up who knows what to do with life, and you are so confused and you are like, okay यार college खत्म, उसके बाद I have to figure out, I don't know what to do. Calm down. मतलब बहुत कुछ चलता है दिमाग में. I understand. And I also have gone through all these feelings, all these thoughts. Actually, I go through it. But over the time, I have realized that you are only 20. Okay? No need to rush, no need to panic. Calm down. Okay? Just calm down. You don't need everything to be planned. You will figure it out. I somehow started journaling. I somehow just controlled myself from comparing myself to others. ठीक है, that is the very big point. ऐसा नहीं है एकदम absolutely I have stopped it. I do because I don't have the control over my mind, so obvious, and my thoughts. But now I know how to react over them. अगर मैं compare करती भी हूँ तो I just switch my mind. I just divert myself from that point. That it's okay. ठीक है, बस हो गया. And it's okay not to be okay. Some days, sometimes. Because मैं जब शुरू में I came to hostel, 6 months I was very good. I was very chill, calm. I was trying to adjust in my surroundings and college and everything. But there were some days that मैं इतनी ज़्यादा exhausted थी, मैं इतनी ज़्यादा low हो जाती थी कि मैं 1 दिन 2 दिन मैं बेड से उठती तक नहीं थी. For nothing. I have not eaten for 2 days direct. तब तक ऐसा नहीं लगता था ना कि मैं अब नहीं होगा, तब तक मैं नहीं खाती थी बिकॉज मुझे मन ही नहीं होता था. लाइक you know, I used to be so negative, and there are factors which push you to be in that aura, in that zone. बार बार सोचोगे, बार बार खुद को कंपेयर करते रहोगे, बार बार अपने आप को कोसते रहोगे कि why you are doing this, why you don't have to. You have all your power in your hand. तुम्हारी लाइफ है, तुम्हारा करियर है, तुम्हारा पॉइंट है, तुम्हें कुछ सीखना है, you can learn. तुम्हें कुछ करना है, you can do. What is stopping you? And मेरा ये फैक्टर था कि I have never thought in that way that I can do it because it's my life. Yet I will do it because I want to do it. It is like कि अब मैं फंस गई हूँ, अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. I was like blocked. I was stuck. There are people who push you in that aura. आप वैसे लोग से बात ही करोगे तो आपको वो aura, वो vibe आने लगेगा कि they are so negative यार. Always they are just crying and always they are complaining and always they are so negative about everything. और वो खुद ही वैसे नहीं रहेंगे. They will, you know, ask you also that why you are like this, why you are doing what you are doing. You have to take one step at a time. Okay, you don't have to rush. Okay, you have to give yourself time because everyone sees कि experience के साथ, sorry, not experience के साथ, time के साथ experience आता है. So you have to give yourself that time to get that experience. Okay, you don't have to rush. You don't have to know everything right away. And let your brain work as it works. And rest is also a part of productivity. Start journaling, start reading books, start meditating, which I don't do personally, but because I'm too distracted in this world to meditate, to be very honest. But my अच्छी आदत है, you know, I am working to have all these habits of fitness and meditation and everything, but I'm giving myself time. Yeah, and do what gives you peace and can help you process your emotions, your feelings, your mind, and in a healthy way. Ouch, my heart. Okay, emotional intelligence is something which I lack. मैं एक बार को अपने दिमाग को समझा सकती हूँ, but ये दिल है कि मानता नहीं. Like I can't hold on my emotions. नहीं होता. अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ बुरी लग रही है, you will know it that मुझे वो बुरी लग रही है. By face, by my mouth, by my reactions, everything will tell you that I am very uncomfortable, I am not liking it, everything. I will be automatically shut down. मेरा वो जो vibe है, मेरा जो you know aura है, वो खुद ही shut down हो जाएगा. My vibe stop vibing. And this shift, this sudden freedom, living alone, this sense of responsibilities, career, academics, relationships, family, oh what not. You are not a teenage now. Okay, I understand, but you are not a settled, grown adult. Okay, like I personally am so confused in everything that it gets so hard to do half of the work I am responsible for. And some changes are so tough. As when I was with my parents, everything was on them. क्या बनेगा, क्या खाना है, कब स्कूल जाना है, कैसे जाना है, क्या करना है, सब कुछ was on my parents. And they not even made me realize that I will grow up, I have to take all these decisions rather than शादी. ये सब भी करना होता है लाइफ में, कौन बताएगा? That's okay. So firstly, I was not confident enough to take any decisions with the fear that मैं गलत ही decision लूँगी, even though it's a fact. बट मैंने बहुत सारे डिसीजंस इस डर से गलत लिए हैं क्योंकि मैं गलत डिसीजंस नहीं लेना चाहती थी. I can't explain it. This is not only about the incapability of mine to take any decision, but the trust which I have on myself. Okay, that is equal to zero. Embrace that imperfection, embrace yourself. Just be you. Don't be ashamed of what you are. You now respect quality over quantity. Like, your friend circle is the biggest example and proof of that. That आप शुरू में कॉलेज जाओ या फिर आप स्कूल में भी रहते हो तो आपको ये लगता है कि जितना बड़ा ग्रुप होगा दैट विल बी मोर इनफ एंड दैट विल बी मोर फन. ओके, आप कॉलेज भी जाते हो फर्स्ट ईयर में तो इट इज ऑल लाइक दैट कि हाँ ओके जितना बड़ा ग्रुप होगा मोर एंड मोर पीपल और सोशलाइज होता हूँ और फ्रेंड्स बनाता हूँ, मजे करूंगा या खुद का स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर चलेगा. Reality that focus on the genuine friendships, focus on the genuine people who are genuinely happy for you, who genuinely cares for you. Like, it's okay to have 2 friends who don't bitch about you rather than having 10 friends who all bitch about you if you are not there. Very important thing is being emotionally mature means you know your purpose, what you want, what your purpose really is, who you really are, or what you really want to be. You have to understand that you are not defined by the labels given by the people or the things you thought you would do. And this age, so much self-doubt, so much self-criticism and the identity crisis you have. I have struggled from it. Trust me, I have struggled from all of it. And it's okay to experiment with different interests, different styles and even personality traits to know where you fit in, what suits you the best, where you find yourself the most comfortable. And trust me, this is normal, way too normal. And you should know the difference of a constructive criticism and being mean or saying it purposely just to insult or make you feel demotivated. You should start saying no and distancing the people who are not good for your mental health. Trust me, it is for you. I understand it is tough and you don't want to be rude or bad to anyone, but don't be bad to yourself. Please respect your boundaries, respect yourself, respect your mental health. Finding your why does not have to be perfect, but has to be yours. Just yours. Okay, so I will be quick in this part. The sudden independence which you get, that you have to manage everything by your own and you don't know where to start from, just start by saying no. Just know how to set your boundaries, what you want to do, what is good for you, what you want from the people you want in your life, and just say no to all other things which is not good for your mental health, which is not good for your peace, which is not good for your anything. This is something where I struggle the most because I had no idea how to manage money and also about the budgeting part. Like, learn the basic budgeting and savings. You have to know the estimate of your total amount you spend in a month by just jotting down your expenditures for 2 to 3 months. Then you can know कि कहाँ पे you have to manage and कहाँ पे you have to compromise. And I know at this age, at this point, asking money from parents gets quite awkward and I personally feel shy to ask for money. There are people who do side hustles and part-time jobs to earn money and yeah, but I don't do right now. So I have to ask for money and it's okay. Okay, keep it slow and you don't have to make everything awkward. Just keep trying, that's it. And the third point which I have gone through is dealing with the expectations. Like, every relationship has its own expectations. Society, family, friends, and even your own expectations from yourself is very high. And that can create a pressure to meet the deadlines of success. Like, you have started a channel and you have only 50 subscribers. Then everyone who knows about it keeps on asking, you have only 50 followers, you have only 50 subscribers, you are not growing, you are not doing anything, you are good for nothing. Just look at him, just look at her. They are having a good amount of subscribers and followers. They are so good. Where are you going wrong? And all this कहीं ना कहीं impact your mind, okay? Because you are also a human, okay? You will think about it. कहाँ you are lacking, where you are going wrong, should I quit? मतलब you forget that जिससे तुम comparison कर रहे हो खुद को, they have gained that amount of subscribers, that amount of followers, that amount of success in 7 years or minimum 3 to 4 years. They have been uploading the videos, they have been working hard, they have their own destiny. You have your own. They worked for it. Why you are jealous of it? Why you are comparing yourself with them? They are doing it for 7 years. They are doing it for past, you don't know how many years. Okay, they are pushing themselves. They deserve their success. Why you are comparing yourself? And then you get anxious, then you get demotivated, then you stop doing what you love or makes you happy, because you also forget the real purpose in the process. I love making YouTube videos. I love speaking. I love to talk to the camera. Okay. I love to record. I love to pretend that someone is taking my interview. I love to talk. That's make me happy. Okay. So you don't have to live someone else's version of success. Everyone's journey is different. बहुत ज़्यादा बोल लिया. The last topic is the career and the academics. Education, job, choosing career can be challenging and can lead to burnout. I understand that it can get tough to be motivated every time. So better take a pause, set realistic goals, and as I said, productivity and rest both are equally important. Take a break, travel, explore, learn new things, make memories with the people you love, with friends, or even alone. Just trust yourself and embrace the small wins. Even the win is small, it is worth celebrating. Just start celebrating yourself. So yeah, that's it guys. Just I wanted to talk and share how I felt after being 20 and living alone, and what were the struggles, what were the challenges, how I cope up. And trust me, ये सब ज्ञान नहीं था, ये literally अपने पे अप्लाई किया हुआ सारा प्रोसेस था, which I have really written. Okay, I will show you that I have written, because ये सिर्फ ज्ञान नहीं है. This is, I have written this mentally, and this is like emotional part, mental part, everything, whatever I have gone through, whatever I have experienced, मैं सब कुछ jot down की हूँ. ठीक है, I have everything written. This all were genuine from my heart, to be honest. You will have heartbreak, you will have disappointment, you will have rejection, you will have failure. You just have to know how to cope up with it, and life does not end over there. Everything has a solution and life goes on. Okay, like you don't have to lose hope. रो लो, कोई बात नहीं. To be honest, मैं बहुत रोती हूँ, रो लो, तुम भी रो लो. But the thing is, you know that there is always life ahead. There is always a solution to everything. If I am sitting over here, trust me, you can do it. I have made so many mistakes. I have done so many blunders. I have messed my life like anything. I want to tell you that everything will be fine, and everything gets fine at the end. And it is not the end. At the end means उस problem के end में everything gets fine. ऐसा. If you do anything wrong in your life, you can't, blame yourself for rest of the life. You can't just always make yourself believe that yeah, you deserve the worst, you deserve nothing, just because you have made mistakes. Surround yourself with people who inspires, who motivates, who supports you. Okay, तुम लड़ो, तुम कुछ भी करो, but they are with you. They are with you no matter what. Okay, not the people who keeps on asking your worth, who keeps on demotivating you, who keeps on bitching about you, no. I don't want this video to get big, so bye. I'll meet you in the next video.